What will win in a drag race between the new Tesla Cybertruck and a Lamborghini Urus? Well, I'm going to find out by racing them over the standing quarter mile. And it's not just any quarter mile. It's actually a new road that's just been built at Tesla's Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. In fact, it's still being built. There's like construction going off just over there. There's a steamroller. I wonder if I'm going to steamroller that Lamborghini Urus. We're going to find out. I'm Matt Watson, and you're watching Carwow. Anyway, let me tell you about the Cybertruck. There's 3 versions available. There's a rear motor version, a dual motor version, which has a motor on each axle, then this range-topping tri-motor version, which is nicknamed the Cyberbeast. It has 1 motor on the front axle and 2 on the rear. Combined, they put out 845 horsepower and 930 newton meters of torque. This car has quite a large battery pack. It's over 120 kilowatt hours. As a result, it's quite a heavy thing, this. It weighs in at 3,080 kilos. In terms of price, well, the rear motor version starts from $50,000. This range-topping one starts from $96,000. Though it's actually quite inexpensive when you compare it to the price of that Lamborghini Urus. And let's find out about that car from its driver. Samuel, aka Racing Driver Sam. How are you?
I'm very good. I'm a bit nervous. Do you want to swap sides? I don't think I can win this impending battle.
This big, scary bulldozer.
Come on, give us the stats on your car.
Well, I think we all know this. This is the Urus, Lamborghini. 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 650 horsepower, 850 newton meters of torque, drives all 4 wheels, gearbox is an 8-speed torque converter. It only weighs 2.1 tons.
Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to flash up on the screen right now the stats of the cars so you can just compare them side by side. These cars are actually very closely matched on the quarter mile, so it's going to be really, really interesting to see which one wins.
What's your money on?
I think I have no hope off the line, and I think the first 50 meters I'm going to be screwed, but I think you're going to run out of puff, and I think it's going to be pretty close at the end of that quarter.
Now, my car does have a limited top speed of 130 miles an hour. I'm not sure that's going to come into play over the quarter mile, but your car's top speed is quite a lot higher. It's like 170, 80. We'll flash it up on the screen right now so you know. Right, before we race though, let's just do the customary Carwow sound check.
Rev up your 4-litre V8.
That is a solid win.
Yes, it is. This can make various noises. Let's see if I can make it do something. Let's try a different one. My favourite of all of them.
Did you do a little windy pop before that horn?
Yeah, Elon likes his farty noises. Anyway, regardless, you won that.
Yes, I did. 1 for the petrol.
1 for the petrol. Right, let's see if we can claw one back for the EV brigade. Let's do a drag race. 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 Let's all do a drag race. I'm not talking to anyone, I've just gone mad. Engaging cheetah stance.
3, 2, 1.
He's done.
Oh my God.
Absolutely dropped. That was on it. Nah, mate, nah.
Yeah, wow. It wasn't the best launch it's ever done, but that really puts that in perspective, doesn't it? Because this is not a slow quarter mile.
And did it launch good for you? Because sometimes I know that Urus can like bog down. Sometimes it takes off and goes and then gets going again.
Didn't have one of its terrible boggy ones, but there was absolutely no wheel spin. It was a little bit boggy. I'd like another go.
Mate, you can have all the goes in the world.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he had a better start that time. Mine was a bit squirrely.
Oh my God.
Just keep on dropping him.
Wow.
I can't really see what your expression is because your windows are blacked out. Are you happy with that one?
Yeah, do you know what? That was a good launch, but oh my God. It defies physics and logic, doesn't it?
So was that a much better launch than last time?
Oh yeah, much better. Still absolutely no wheel spin here. I don't know whether it's the surface or something. It's irrelevant. Even if this had a perfect little bit of slip and kept going, that's just going to beat me by a little bit less maybe.
I don't know what to say really. Do you ever go in this?
Yes, please.
Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Woo-hoo-hoo! Oh, I think I might have had him off the line. He was napping a bit.
Flipping hell.
Nah, chance. I think I might have had you off the line there, Sam.
Yeah, you beat me off the line. Well done. Who won the race?
I didn't win the race. Let me just check something. Stewards, can you just check I didn't jump the start?
No, this is Rory. You didn't jump the start. I watched.
I just wanted to have one more go in this, just to make the point. Why not?
3, 2, 1.
Oh! Wow! I'll tell you what, Sam, when I drove that Urus, it didn't do any of the silliness. It launched really well. I quite liked it. Was it a good launch then for you? We left pretty much simultaneously.
Yeah, I can't fault this launch. Maybe the American ones are better. It hasn't had any problems. That's just, I mean, it's ridiculous.
It is ridiculous. Now here are the times.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the Tesla won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 11.2 seconds. The Lamborghini took 12.3 seconds. That's quite a bit slower than we've had from a Lamborghini Urus before. In the past, we've measured it at 11.5 seconds.
Now we have a rolling race from 30 miles an hour. First of the quarter mile wins. So get level, young man. 3, 2, 1, go. It was just mental. Oh. Yeah, pointless.
That's just ridiculous.
What we're going to do now is another rolling race, but this time I'm going to go from 40 miles an hour. And
Sam, you're going to go in second gear. See if that helps at all.
okay, come on then, let's get up to 40, get level. 40, 40, 40, 40, 40. I'm at 40 pretty much. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. No. Dropped. No, you got dropped. You were with me for a split second and then bye-bye.
But it was with you for a split second. I have to take a little win from this.
Okay, I've got another idea though. Let's head back to the start. Okay, Sam, let's do the same thing again. However, this time, I'm going to count it in. I'll go 3, 2, 1, go.
You can go on the number 2.
Yeah, I like cheating. Let's do that.
Right, come on, good luck. Get yourself level. Let's get to 40. 3, 2, 1, go.
Come on!
Come on! Yes!
No! Oh.
I don't think I really have much else to say.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's a worse defeat than any of the other ones.
Well, there you go. One last challenge. I might not win this one. Okay, now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. The car that stops in the shortest distance wins. I'm going to move myself closer to the brake pedal for added force. Come on then, young man. Get level. 70 miles an hour. Here comes the line! Okay, here come my excuses. I'm on mud tyres. You're on hardcore performance summer tyres.
Sorry, I was yawning so loud. I can't. Are you in the distance? I'm struggling. Hold on. Oh, I can see you. Yeah, no, I think I won that.
Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. Let me know what you think of this Cybertruck in the comments below. Do you like the look of it or not? Yeah, it's going to divide opinion, I'm sure. Also, if you want to watch some more videos, then just click on the video windows. And if you want to compare these cars quarter mile times, then just click on the little carwow box and you can check out our carwow drag race leaderboard. Thanks for watching.